Now I'm going to show you the exact way to use Instagram on your Apple Watch. First of all, go to your iPhone and open the Message app. And in Message app, go to our conversation and simply type this Instagram link, https://instagram.com, and then just send this message. And then you see this kind of instagram.com logo. Now go to your Apple Watch and press the crown, and here go to your message, go to the conversation, in which conversation you just send the Instagram link, and here you see this instagram.com. Tap on that and you directly jump into Instagram login interface. As you can see, now just tap on login, and here write your Instagram login credential. Then just press on login and you'll be directly sign into your Instagram account newsfeed. Before that, you can save your login credential by tapping on save info. And here, as you can see, I've successfully signed into my Instagram account, and now I can easily browse my Instagram news feed from my Apple Watch. As you can see, so that's how we can actually use Instagram from our Apple Watch. Thanks for watching.